Hello children, welcome to TMHNU Nada Saraswati Public School. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Now our subject is English. What are the functions celebrated in India? Yes, Deepavali, Pongal, Christmas, Ramjan, because we are living in different religion country. Okay, now for Deepavali, what sweet your mommy will make? Yes, different sweets for your mommy will make. What sweet your mommy will make for Christmas? Cakes and cookies. Now, who is the hero of Christmas and who will give gifts for children? Very good. Santa Claus. Now our poem topic is Cookies for Santa. His poem written by Ken Nesbitt. He is an American poet who writes humorous poems for children. Humorous means which causes laughing tone, sense of humorous and especially right for children. His wife name is Anne, his son name is Max and his daughter name is Madsen. He lives in Washington. He's the first poetry of book. What do you mean by cookies? Cookies are very sweet biscuits. So these sweet biscuits they are known as and no cookies. Very tasty and delicious. During Christmas many beautiful cookies are made and different design and different colors and beautiful colors. There are many made of different color, different shape, design and sizes. They look extremely beautiful. So these are the cookies just made during Christmas. So poet also made out such kind of the cookies to welcome to Santa. This is Santa. And every year during Christmas, Santa Claus are come to with gifts for give to children. And children welcome to Santa. Santa. I baked a dozen cookies and I put them on a plate and I set them out for Santa Claus except for one I ate. What by saying? He has packed at dozen cookies. Dozen cookies means 12 cookies by an plate to serve to eat Santa Claus. How many cookies are left? 11 cookies in put on the plate and for Santa Claus and one I ate. That cookies was amazing and I couldn't quite resist. So I ate another one that I was sure would not be missed. How was that cookies? How is that cookies? It was amazing. It was very tasty. And I couldn't quite resist. Now after eating that one cookie that why couldn't struck himself for eating more cookies. So I eat another one. What happened? First I won one. Then after eating one, he want to eat more cookies. So I eat one more cookies. That I was sure what wouldn't not be missed. So although he didn't want to eat that cookies because that cookies were very tasted and delicious. How is that cookies? It was amazing. It was very tasty. Next lines. I knew it wouldn't matter if I only ate one more. Then I gobbled up another one. Why not? That's only 4. He thought that doesn't matter if I ate one or more. No, after how merry till now we eat 2 cookies. He thinks that what will happen if I eat one more cookies. So after thinking that he ate one or more cookies. Then I gobbled up another one. Gobbled up means very quickly. Eat more 1 cookies. Now after eating those cookies, what happened? Only 4 cookies left on the plate. I accidentally dropped another couple on the ground. I knew Santa wouldn't want them, so I swiftly scrubbed them down. Accidentally means something which there's them by mistake but no another couple on the ground. Do you floor think dropped them floor accidentally? No, willingly another couple on the ground. Couple means two. So here accidentally he dropped another cookies on the ground. I knew Santa wouldn't want to them, so them not came to mind. I know Santa do not want to these cookies. So these cookies fell on the ground. When he is done, he with gobbled them down. It once again. I eat those fell on the ground. Next line. Another couple disappeared. I may have eaten those, though I couldn't say for certain, but I guess that how it goes. Another couple disappear. What happened after that? Another couple are disappear. Disappear means two more cookies have gone into his stomach. Their cookies where are gone? Into his stomach. I may have eaten those, though I couldn't say for certain, but I guess that how it goes. Another couple disappeared. Two more cookies have gone into his stomach. I couldn't say for certain he is not whether it. Those are not eat to those. But I guess that how it goes. But guess that yes, I should go eat my stomach. I figured 4 was likely more than Santa Claus would need. So I polished off another few with unaccepted speed. I figured 4 was likely more. Now after eating all this cookies, he figured means he considered in his plate 4 cookies are left than Santa Claus would need. So I polished another few. He thought that when 4 cookies fall on the plate, then Santa Claus would need means wouldn't Santa Claus want to eat cookies. After thinking his, he ate another few. Few means more cookies. Very curiously, he ate another 2 cookies. Next lines. Before I knew what happened, all the damage had been done and released. I didn't accidentally eaten every one, but I knew what happened. Now all this has done. He says that I have eaten all these cookies. In my unconsciousness, all the damage had been done. What change had been done? All the cookies which for Santa Claus he packed for Santa Claus, and he had eaten them by what? He had eaten them upon the didn't want to eat. I realized I didn't accidentally eaten every one. So he thinks that my mistake, but I didn't want to eat those. But although accidentally I have eaten all the cookies. I guess it's best since Santa sort of needs watch his weight when he visits us that Christmas. I sure hope he likes the plate. When Christmas will visit our place or home, I sure hope he will like the plate. So I shut off the plate filled with cookies. I will serve with them plate, and we will happy to see them empty plate because cookies will making more fatter, so that he thinks himself that he was not that any mistake he was eaten for the good cookies. Okay. Now summary of the poem. Cookies for Santa is a Christmas poem by Ken Nesbitt. The poet talks about the preparation for welcoming Santa. He packed a dozen cookies, but he ate them all one by one. In the poem, the poet justifies why he eats up all the cookies. The poet's justification regarding why Santa should not eat cookies at all. The point justifies why he eats up all the cookies. Thank you.